Hello. In this particular video, we will learn how to see sine of an angle, tangent of an angle, and cosine of an angle exactly in that sequence. And the reason why I'm saying exactly in that sequence is because the way to find out the sine and tangent of an angle is exactly same, and there's a subtle difference as far as finding out the cosine of an angle is concerned, and that is why we will look at it in this order only. First, we'll learn how to find out the sine of an angle, and then tangent of an angle, and then cosine of an angle. I'm sure you'll find it very easy. So this is how your, the natural science table looks like. If you look at your log table book, you'll find natural science. Remember, there are logarithmic signs also available there. All you have to do is look at natural science. Okay, and let's take some examples now. I mean, of course, from your school days, you know that you know sine of 30 degree, is half, right? Which is equal to 0.5000, right? So here in the natural science, you see here in this particular column, you have all the degrees available. In this particular row, you see that they have given minutes, plus they've also given degrees. And here there's something called mean difference, and this mean difference has been given in minutes. So many times it might happen that you'll have to convert degree into minutes, and I hope you know that conversion factor. 1 degree is corresponding to 60 minutes, right? And so suppose you got to convert, say, 0.47 degrees, say, for example. Okay, so how will you do that? It will be 0.47 multiplied by 60 upon 1. But then you don't write that one usually. So what you're going to do is 0.47 into 60, and that will give you the appropriate answer for minutes, right? That's how the conversion is going to happen, right? So this, you figure this out, right? I'll just leave this blank here. Now, you know this from school days, right? You know this from school days. So if you now look here, see here, you see 30 degrees. So you're going to look at this column. We want to find 30 degrees. 30 degrees, 0 minutes. So you'll see 30 degree, and in the column of 0 minutes, the line starting from here will cross this line, and you see here, you see 0.500. So that's 0.500. That is what the sine of 30 degree is. Now remember, the rest of the numbers, they've not put decimal points, but the decimal point is there. So for example, the number here is 2639, say, for example. So it's actually 0.2639. So all these numbers here in this particular column are in principle, you see, mentioned. They've not mentioned decimal point, they've just mentioned the decimal point in the first column. But remember that for the rest of the column also, that decimal point is there. So let's take few more example. So I've just figured out some numbers, and let's say we want to find out sine of say 30 degree 6 minutes, 30 degree and 6 minutes, right? So let's see. So you'll see 30 degree, and then we'll see 6 minutes. There you are, there you are. And so you have this number 5015. 30 degree 6 minutes is 0.5015, right? This is how, is that easy, right? Or let's take another example. Say, for example, you want to find out sine of, now this is very interesting, 30 degree, say, 7 minutes. Okay, 30 degrees 7 minutes. Now you see, you'll not see 7 minutes anywhere here, right? But then we got a trick. So what you will do is you will try to go to a number as close to 30 degree 7 minutes as possible. So what is the number? It's 30 degree 6 minutes, right? So 30 degree 6 minutes. So when I see 30 degree 6 minutes, I see first 0.5015, right? Plus, now remember, it's not this number 0.5015 is the sine of 30 degree 6 minutes, but we want 30 degree 7 minutes. So what we will do is we'll look at 6 here, okay, and what number do we add to 6 so that we get 7. So that is this one, right? So you just add 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7, and then you'll come down, 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 and you will follow this row. You will just follow this row here. You'll follow this, and you see 3 here, right? In the same row of 30-degree above this 1 minute. In this particular column, you are seeing that 3. You will add this 3 to this number 5015. So you'll just add this 3 there, and so what you will have is, you'll just add, actually it is, you should just add 5015 plus 3. So it's kind of going to be like 0.0003 if you want to write it like that. Or the other way is, you have 5015, you just add 3, so it becomes what? 5018. So your answer is 0.5018, right? So that is your 30-degree 7 minutes. That is your 30-degree 7 minutes, right? Now, let's take few more examples so that you gain that confidence. Let me just erase this now. I hope you have understood this. It's very easy, right? So I will give you an example now. So let's take another post-it. Maybe this post-it, I will place it here. Now let's try to find out what is happening here. I'll give example. Say for example, I want to find out. I'll give 5 examples. Those should be good enough. So sine of say 16 degree, 30 minutes. 16 degree, 30 minutes. So what you could do is, you could pause the video for few seconds, look at the log tables, and then tell me what this sine of 16 degree 30 minutes is. Okay, now you can pause. Now let's see, this is 16 degree here. Everyone is seeing that 16 degree, and you want 30 minutes. So we'll just cross this number, and so you see this is the row that I am following, and there you are, right? And then this is 30 minutes we want, right? So 30 minutes. We'll just cross this line, and you reach to this particular number, 2840. So this is the answer, 0.2840. I hope you got this correct. All right. Let's take another example. Okay. Say sine of 46 degree. 46 degree. Okay. 46 degree, and say 12 minutes. Okay. 12 minutes is the example. I'm just picking up some numbers haphazardly, and I'll just stick to these angles when we look at tan and cosine also. So you can pause the video now and try to figure out what is this turning out to be. Sine of 46 degree, 12 minutes. So here is 46 degree, okay, and 12 minutes. Oh, this is so easy, right? So 0.7218. So 0.7218. I hope you got this correct. I hope you're finding this interesting. Let's have a look at another example. Say, for example, I picked up number. So now I'll have to, oh, good. So this is like sine of 50 degree, and I'm saying 33 minutes now, 33 minutes, right? So fortunately, I don't have to, kind of shift my post-it, because 50 degrees is sitting right here. And then you have, so I'm going to go to 30. I can see 30 here, and that number is 7716. So I'm just writing that here, 7716. But I want 33. 30 plus 3. So 3. In the line of 50 degree, I've already calculated this 30 wala. It is 7716, I believe. Yeah. And then you have 3 here. So it is 6 here, right? So this is 6. So 50 degree, 30 plus 3 is what we're looking at, right? So 6 plus 6. So what is it going to be? This is going to be 2277 right here. So 7722. So the answer is 0.7722. That's it. This is how it is done. And yeah, let's take a couple of examples more, which are, the angles which I've selected are on the right side. So I'll have to clean this post-it. I hope you got this right. So you can pause the video and always try to figure it out. And let me just now take another post-it, this time on this side, and see how this is turning out to be. So what angle I have selected? Yeah, I have selected sine of say 60 degree, 60 degree 27 minutes, right? So it's very easy. Sine of 60 degrees. So 60, 60, 60, I'm seeing here 60 degree, and then 27. So which means I'll select 24. Remember, mean difference is always to be added, right? This is always going to be added. Please remember, mean difference is always to be added. So this is 24 is sitting here. What is this number? It's 8695. So I've got 8695, and 24 plus 3 is going to be, right? So I'm seeing in this particular row, and you have this 3 minutes, so that's number 4 here. So you just add that 4 here. So it becomes 8699. So your answer is 0.8699. Great. Let's take one more example. Say sine of 66 degree and 52 minutes. Okay. Pause the video, try to find out, and then look for the answer. Okay. Let me continue. You can pause, try to figure it out, and then cross check whether you've sorted it out correctly or not. So 66 degrees. So 66 degree I'm seeing here, and then 52. So the closest time coming is to 48, right? Closest time coming is to 48. We want 52, right? So we will continue to look at this particular row here. We will go, always use scale in your case, right? So this number is 91. Oh no, this is 54. Sorry about that. We will select this number 9191. 48, right? We want to select 9191. So it is going to be 9191 and 48 plus 4. So we'll just continue this, and 4 is here. So it is 5. So 5. We add 5 to this, and it becomes 9196. So your answer is 0.9196. Right? That is how you are going to figure it out. All right. So I hope you've understood how to find the sine. All right. Now let us have a look at the way to find tangent. Exactly similar, no change at all. This is how you're going to find out even tan. So let me pull out the tangent table now. Yeah, so this is how the tangent table looks like. All right, so let's take the same example. So it becomes very easy to find out tan of 30. Let me put a post-it here, somewhere here. Say for example, yeah, I think I can put the post-it here so that all these things can be sorted out. We'll have a look at the examples first, and then we will. So tan of 30, the first one, tan of 30. So tan of 30, I'm pretty sure you're expert at this by now. Natural tangents, tan of 30. This means 30 degree, right? 30 degree, 0 minutes. So 30 is this, and this is my number. So it's like 0.5774. Easy peasy, right? And then let's have a look at tan of 30 degree 6 minutes. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to figure this out. This 30, and now you look at 6-minute column and a row of 30. It is this one, 0.5797, 0.5797. Okay, and then let's look at that another example we saw in case of sine. Also 30 degrees is 7 minutes. So what will you do here? So this is 5797 that you've got, right? 5797, right? And then you have, this is 6. You will have to add 1 to make it 7. So here you go in the row of 30, in the row of 30, in the row of 30, you got this number 4, right? So you'll be adding 4 here, and what is this going to become? 7 plus 4, 1, and then will come here, right? And then this will be 0 here, and then this will become 8, and this is 5. So this is going to become 5801. So this is 0.5801. That's it. This is how you will, you know, do it. Easy, guys, right? And now let's take some more examples. What you will do now is you will just, um, you know, try to pause the video and then solve it, and then come and check whether you have sorted out correctly. I'm going to take the same examples as we took in the case of sines. What I mean by same examples, the angles will be like same. So let's look at this now. So tan of what did I do? I think at 16 degree 30 minutes, right? I took 16 degree 30 minutes. So 16 degree 30 minutes. Well, this is easy for you, right? 16 degree and 30 minutes. So you're seeing this particular row, and I'm seeing this is that number 2962, right? So it is 0.2962. Did you get that correct? After I gave example, did you pause the video? If you did it, good. Please dirty your hands, right? Pause the video and do it seriously, because that will give you confidence. So now let's have a look at tan of what is that? 46 degree 12 minutes. 46 degree 12 minutes, right? So where is 46 degree? There is 46 degree. There you are. Pause the video, look, and then come back to cross check. 12 minutes. So I am seeing this number here. This number, right? 0 0.4 0.0428. Great. Sorted out. Then let's look at 50 degree and 33 minutes. 33 minutes, right? 50 degree, 50 degree, 50 degree. Pause the video, try to find out on your own, and then come and cross check. 50 degree, 33 minutes. So I'm seeing 30 here. It is 2131. 2131 and plus 3. Oh my God, you just have to add a very big number out there to 22. This is 30 here, and this is 3 here, right? So 30 plus 3 is 33, and we're looking at 50 degree. So you just add 22 to it, right? So it is going to become 3 here, 3 plus 2, 5, and 1, and this 2. So 0.2153. So it's become 2153. Great. Let's look at some more here. Well, I will have to kind of remove this post-it now and take a new one. Let's take a new post-it. Maybe I could take it on this side, because the two angles which I've selected now are on the right side, right? So that's it. So now let's see tan of 60 degree 27 minutes. 27 minutes. Okay. Pause the video and try to find out. And then another one I had taken last time was 66 degree and 52 minutes, right? Yeah. So 60 degree 27 and 66 degree 52. Pause the video. Look, I'm going to solve this. I'm going to go ahead. This is 60 degree. Okay, so I'm seeing this. I'm going to reach to 24 first, right? So what I'm seeing is 7603. 7603, and then it's 3 again, right? 24 plus 3. So it is going to be this number, because this is 24 here and this is 3 here. So 27. So this time I'm going to add, oh my God, 36. 36 you add. So this becomes 9, and then this becomes 3, and this is 6, and this is 7. So this becomes 0.7639, right? That is the answer. I hope you got this correct. And let's have a look at this 66 degree, 66 degree, 52, 50, 50, 52. So I'm reaching 48 first, 48, 48, because this is 48, right? And it is 333, 2, 333, 2, and 52. 52, That means I'll have to add 4. That means I'll have to add 40. Oh my god, no, no. I'll have to add this number, 73, right? It's coming down 66 degrees, so I'll add 73 here. And then what will this become? 3 plus 2, 5. This, 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 and this, right? 3405. So it's going to become 0.3405. Let me just cross check this one. That's 3405. So 0.3405 will be my answer. So I hope you're very clear. Now, though I said that we'll also have a look at inverse functions in this video only, I think I'll just pause here. You can pick up any angles now and find out the sine and the tangents. Okay. Now let's have a look at the cosine. Now, cosine is slightly different in this particular case. Okay, because here in sine and tangents, what did we do? We always added the mean differences. Let's have a look how to look at the cosine tables. Let me pull out the cosine table now. So this is how the cosine table looks like. Now remember, here it's very clearly written, mean difference is to be subtracted. Mean difference is to be subtracted. This is what is written. It's clearly written, so you really don't have to worry about remembering it. It's clearly mentioned out there. Let's have a look at the same angles, and let's try to find out the cosines, and I'll show you how to do that. So first one is easy peasy. It was like cos of 30 degree we looked at, right? So that was very easy. So again, you just have a look at this one. It's going to be this. So it's 0.8660. I hope you got this. It's the row of 30 and column of 0 minutes, right? It's 30 degree 0 minutes, so 0.8660. And now we say cos of 30 degree, I believe 6 minutes. 6 minutes. And that's also easy. It's the next one, right? 6. This is 6 minutes here, and you just kind of come down in the row of 30 and you get this one. It's 0.8652. 0.8652. And then we'll have cos of say 30 degree and 7 minutes. Now this is where it starts differing from sine and tangent. You will see 30 degree 7 minutes. So your 6 minute is the same number, right? 8652, 8652. And now remember 1 is in this row here. Please understand, you are going to now subtract. You're going to subtract. So it's going to be minus 1. So it's going to be 8651, right? So your answer is going to be 0.8651. So here the mean difference is to be subtracted, unlike the sine and the tangent tables. Okay, I hope things are very clear to you now. Okay, now let's take few more examples. We'll consider the same angles, and I hope you will find those very, very easy. So say for example, let's take cos of 16 degree 30 minutes. Cos of 16 degree 30 minutes, right? So it's very easy. This is 16 degree, and then you just have a look at this column and same row, right? So same row, same row, and then you reach here. I think this is that number, right? 16 degree 30, 0.9588. 0.9588. There you are, right? And then you have cos of say 46 degree 12 minutes. Pause the video, try to find it out yourself, and then cross check. So this is 46 degree here, and 12 is coming here. So in this row, it's this number, I believe. Yes, same. Yeah, 0.6921. 0.6921, right? Let's take one more example. Cos of 50 degree. There you are. This is going to be like actual subtraction happening, right? 30. So this is cos of 50 degree. 50 is here, this row, and then you will look at 30 first, 30 minute first, because you want to add 30 minutes are going to be added. Please understand that. So this number is coming out to be 6361, and then what you're going to do is 30 plus 3. So you're going to go here and you reach to this number, right? In the same line, 30 plus 3. So 30 plus 3 is going to be 33, and now 6361, you're supposed to subtract 7 from here. So you will be subtracting 7 from here to make it what? This is going to be 11 minus 7. So this is going to be 4 here, this is going to be 5 here, and 3 and 6, right? And so your answer is going to be 0.6354. All right, and let's take 2 more examples. I hope you got this correct, huh? And now let's take 2 more examples, like as promised. So these examples, let me just pull out another post-it, and let me take the examples here, and let's say cos of 60 degree 27 minutes, 60 degree and 27 minutes, right? So 60 60 60 60 60, it's going to be 27, right? So we go to 24 first. That's the closest one. So let's say this is the one, right? So it is 4939, 4939, right? If you're seeing the 60 degrees, it's a row of 60, and then it's going to be this column. You're coming down here and crossing that row, 4939, and that's 3 minutes. So you continue in the same row and you reach to 3. Remember, 8 is to be subtracted. 8 is to be subtracted. So this is going to be 1 3 9, and this is going to be 4. So 4931, 0.4931. That is going to be your answer, right? One more example, cos of say 66 degree 52 minutes, and it's going to be, you look at 66, pause the video, try to find out the answer for yourself. You're going to go to 48 first, right? If you remember, this is 48 here, and this is 48, right? Row of 66, minute 48, and it's going to be 3939, 3939, and then it's 52. So going to 48 plus 4 is 52, right? So you just look at this one, and then you come down here and you look at this, and then you will find that it is 11. So you'll subtract the 11, right? 9 minus 1 is 8, 3 minus 1 2, and then this is going to be 9, and this is going to be 3. So it's going to be 3928. So your answer is 0.3928. Yeah, great. So awesome. I hope now you're comfortable with finding out the sine of an angle and tangent of an angle and cosine of an angle. In the next video, we will see how to find the angles if the sine or tangent or cosine has already been given to us. So I shall see you in the next video.